Hey, hi guys, welcome back to Krut AI demo series. And firstly, before moving ahead, thank you so much for showing love, that subscribing us, liking our videos, and commenting down on our socials. Moving ahead, what we have today is our Model Studio. It's a Model Studio playlist that we're gonna put up in our YouTube channel, where we're gonna talk about how we can generate realistic models. Let's just dive in and see what all we can achieve through Krut. Okay, we'll just remove this model first. Yeah. Okay, let's say we have these many models available. Let's start with min. We have different things like different model faces. You also have model poses in casual, ethnic, formal. Also, on top of that, the best part, you can also upload your face, upload your pose, and you can generate your face on that particular pose. In Model Studio, the prompt is automatically generated, so you don't have to write a prompt. You just have to upload the pose, the model face, and that's all. Your work is done there. The face is here. Now comes model poses. Let's say we'll go with the school guy. Okay, and let's just hit back and just say generate model. When it comes to Krut AI, we are totally focused on generating realistic model. After the generation is done, I would like to show you guys something called a a similarity score. When it comes to Krut AI, as I mentioned, we are totally focused on realistic modeling so that our market can actually utilize those images for their e-commerce purposes or for their brands or for making them as ambassador like that. So this is what you have got, right? And the face similarity is 82%. That's not bad. If you check the market, it's like they are not even matching around 60-70%. So we're still achieving like 82%. Man with brown straight hair wearing a blue shirt. You can also type like a black shirt here in the prompt, and overcoat standing in front of a white background, and you can also change it to like something like gray background maybe. Okay, so looking at that, let's just try to generate and see. Okay, and as you already know, guys, this is like AI generation, so there might be a possibility of inaccuracy sometimes, but yeah, we are trying to resolve that to like at least like achieving 99% for sure. So we are trying on that, and you will see that versions, features, and the styles, new styles coming in, and the realisticness of the particular image, more of like hyper detailed image, right? So looking at that, let's just wait for a while and see what we can achieve through this. Okay, we have the image. Wow, you can see the face similarity score. It's 96%. As we mentioned, right? We needed like a black shirt. Okay, we have got the black shirt and overcoat, and standing in front of the grayish background. A little bit of grayish background is there already. Okay, so this is what the thing is. Moving ahead, we have the other option that I was talking about. Let's say we want to upload a face. Let's say we'll just go ahead and say Chris uh, Hemsworth. Okay, and let's take an image of this. Which one? Which one? Cool. Let's go with this one. This one. Yeah. Moving ahead, we'll just upload the face from here. Now we have a gender selection as well, because that is must for uh, to know. Yeah, where it is. Title, it's in web format. Okay, I got. Let's try with any other pose. Let's say we'll go with this one. Okay, let's just try generating the model. When it comes to generation time period, it hardly take like 14 to 15 seconds to generate, not more than that. Sometimes once when you hit the generate model button the first time, it takes a little time, like 15 seconds. But once you generate the results, right, the first time, then you can easily get the results in like 4, 5, 6 seconds max. So that's what the time efficiency that we are importing into our customers, or any other clients. So yeah, we have got the phase. Okay, and we have got the face similarity score is 95%. What is the best part? The fingers, the hands, the hair, the texture of the particular image. Is what I'm talking about, the more realisticness, right? So this is what the capabilities of Krut AI are. And when it comes to generation, let's try some women's as well. Moving ahead, let's just pick some faces. Maybe let's try with this one. Okay, and let's upload a photos. Maybe this one. Yeah. Cool. Let's just try generating the model. I hope you're liking the tool because it's a perfect one-stop solution for anyone who is looking for running an e-commerce brand or a marketing agency to solve a lot of problem for their product launch, for coming up with the models. You don't have to go to iStock and buy or use the same image again and again. You can try using the same image as well in this product. Also, you can change the images, change the face basically. right? You can do both the things all together. Wow. So this is what we have got. Cool. So we have this input images like this, and this is what we have got. Approximately like 86% of face similarity is what we have got. Yeah, it's better. We can improvise and more. Once we start hitting the generation and again, changing a little bit of prompt, we can do that. You know what is one more thing that we're coming up with is the multilingual support. So you guys will be able to type the prompt in any language that you know from your keyboard, and the machine will handle that support like any sort of language. Right now we're totally targeting Indian languages. Once that is done, you'll be able to see different languages, and you can type different languages. You can also see different prompt generation that can be done. Like, you know, we're also coming up with AI assistant for you guys, which can help you out to generate the right image. You also have the option to upload an image to that particular you can just send it to the bot, and the bot can give you the reply with what sort of prompt you can write to generate that kind of a result, whatever you're expecting, right? So that's what all about Model Studio for today. Tomorrow, I'm going to talk about how a model can hold a product with the proper composition, with the proper blend on the image, right? With the proper fingers, proper posture of the particular model holding a product like this. So this thing, no one is giving is in the market right now. So stay excited for that and see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.